Ran into some wood and we don't know what it is, right?
Yep, we got some yellow, goldish, mustard yellow wood. It comes from right over there. We cut it down in the snow this past winter. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's got some pretty grain to it. Not sure what.
Got a smell to it?
I thought it did. Might just be me. Didn't smell too good.
Okay, so we got that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what we'll. I cut some pieces over there to make maybe some charcuterie boards or something out of.
This stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom, man. Might have us some charcuterie board stuff here.
Coming right up.
Huh?
Coming right up.
So our middle child, Boone, he's 10. He's gotten into woodworking a lot here lately too. So he makes signs and charcuterie boards and things like that. He's getting better and better every day. He took a class back in the spring, a woodworking class, and then he's also been practicing a lot here, and he's taking another class this coming fall. So
And if you would like to buy,
he says if you'd like any of his products.
Old Paul's gonna have to get in on the business too.
Okay, go ahead, Daddy.
And then got some real white stuff over here that we cut up. This is small. It comes from
Up here?
no.
I thought Dad said up there.
It may have. Yeah, it may have. Not sure what it is. It's real white. Everything was covered in yellow sawdust, and now it's covered in white sawdust over there.
Why are the edges like that?
That's just where it just been drying out. It'll dry. If you don't cut it up, it'll dry from the outside in.
Oh, okay. And the plan for this stuff?
Probably going to go over there next to the old farmhouse. We poured a slab for a basketball court, and we don't have anywhere to have the family gatherings and stuff indoors. And that's pretty hard to have Thanksgiving, Christmas, and real hot birthdays and 4th of July's. So we're coming off of the old farmhouse and putting a porch over top of where the basketball court was, enclosed. It'll end up being like a big living room, I guess.
I actually got some footage of that a couple of days ago. I'll add in here, and also while the boys were working on bringing down that Bradford pear. So I'll put all that footage in, show you guys the framing of the living room that we're building, kind of.
Yeah, right next to it, the Bradford pears he was talking about. If you know Bradford pears, they're awful to split off.
Daddy, continuing where we left off, our camera shut down. It was getting too hot. It was time for lunch anyway, so.
The Bradford pears she was talking about, it was right next to the porch, living room thing we're building. It was one of the tallest Bradford pears I'd ever seen. So we decided we was going to trim it back a little bit. Trimmed it back a lot. It might not survive. It may end up on the sawmill before too long. I'm not real sure. But
we were saying that some of that wood you guys are cutting, you're thinking about putting in the
patio, living room, porch thing. That's where some of that wood might go in the ceiling. It's real white. And my father-in-law was going to try to, whatever he put in the ceiling, he's going to think about whitewashing anyway. So this might go up there and not even need whitewashed. But we'll see. When it dries out a little bit, we'll see how it looks. We got some pine log, a couple poplars, and another mystery log that we're gonna try to saw up today after lunch, and hopefully we'll get some footage of that and see you then.
pulled in, and well, all but Tanner. That makes sense. All but our corgi are coming after the kids to say hi. stacked up quite a bit since I...
Good pile of pine there.
Not really.